2018 Denali. Was left in 4 brakes. So we ended up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Basically, the customer did not want to carry an extra remote control around, so we incorporate everything to the factory alarm. So if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the lug nut locks, they'll try to leave your truck in 4 brakes and take them. The alarm will fire off. Go ahead and shut it off again. Let's rearm it. Try banging on the glass. It also gives you glass protection in case they try to bust out your glass and go in and try to steal your airbags. That's another thing they're stealing from this vehicle, the airbags. It's pretty much rims and airbags, and of course anything left inside the vehicle. You know how that goes. It's been going around for 100 years. It's nothing new. But the rims theft and the airbag theft, it was in the last 15 years. That's the modern theft right now. Is selling parts online. It's not really taking the whole truck. A lot of these trucks are real difficult because of the factory alarm has a chip in the key, and a lot of times some of these cars, it's being hot wired, the computer senses that and it goes to a complete shutdown. I mean, it is doable. I mean, but there's a lot of time and a lot of equipment required to do it. So that's why the modern theft right now is just removing parts out of vehicles, tailgates, rear mirrors, front grille, tires, anything they can get their hands on to sell it online. And I'm going to go ahead and pound on the glass real quick. Go ahead and disable the alarm. So yeah, this shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm to protect the rims and tires and the windows. It's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. And thank you for watching this video.